In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit contacts to Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, open mail, find your contacts, and update the details you need, all without any confusion. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar at the very top, type yahoo.com and press enter. This takes you to Yahoo's homepage. On the upper right corner, look for the sign in button. Click it and follow the on-screen prompts to access your account. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked to verify your identity or enter a code. Simply complete what's shown and give it a moment to finish signing you in. Once you're signed in, look toward the top right again and click Mail to open Yahoo Mail. When your inbox loads, you'll see a clean layout with your messages in the center. On the right side of the screen, find the Contacts section or the Contacts icon. Click it to open your Contacts panel. Now, scroll through the list and select the contact you want to edit. This opens their details view so you can see what's currently saved. To make changes, look for the three-dot menu, often labeled More Options. Click that menu, then choose Edit. This puts the contact into edit mode so you can update fields like the person's name, email address, phone number, company, or any notes you keep. Take a moment to make sure the information is accurate and formatted clearly. For example, double-check spelling and make sure phone numbers use a consistent format so they're easy to search and use later. When you're satisfied with the changes, click Save. Saving ensures your updates are applied across Yahoo Mail, so the next time you compose an email and start typing the person's name, the correct information appears. If you don't immediately see the Save button, scroll within the contact card. It's typically at the bottom of the edit view. After saving, you should see the updated details reflected in the contacts card. A couple of quick tips as you work. Wait for each page to fully load before clicking again to avoid duplicate actions, and avoid entering any sensitive information you don't want stored. If something doesn't look right, you can always return to the three-dot menu and edit the contact again. And if your contacts panel is collapsed, look for the icon on the right side to reopen it. That's it. You've signed in, opened mail, accessed contacts, chose the person to update, used the three-dot menu to edit, and saved your changes successfully.